Question. Right shares enjoy preferential right as regards option A. Payment of retained earnings, option B. Payment of dividend, option C. Payment of capital, option D. None of the above. Answer option D. None of the above. The amount of depreciation charged under annuity method. Options. Remains fixed for all years, decreases every year, increases every year, recalculated every year. Answer option A. Remains fixed for all years. The debit balance in the bank column of cash book indicates options. The amount withdrawn from the bank, option B. Total amount deposited in bank, option C. Cash at bank, option D. Bank overdraft. Answer option C. Cash at bank. Question. At the end of the accounting year, nominal accounts are options A. Balanced and transferred to the profit and loss account. Option B. Not balanced and transferred to the profit and loss account. Option C. Not balanced and transferred to balance sheet account. Option D. Balanced and transferred to balance sheet account. Answer option B. Not balanced and transferred to the profit and loss account. Premium on redemption of debenture is dash account. Option A. Personal, option B. Nominal, option C. Real, option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Personal. If the shares are forfeited, the share capital account is debited by option call up value of shares, paid up value of shares, face value of shares, issue price of shares. Answer option A. Call up value of shares. The process of recording financial data up to trial balance is option bookkeeping, classifying, summarizing, analyzing. Answer option A. Bookkeeping. The maximum number of partners mentioned in options Companies Act, Partnership Act, Limited Partnership Act, none. Answer option A. Companies Act. Question. An accounting system which presents the balance sheet into two parts is called option A. Double entry system, option B. Double account system, option C. Single entry system, option D. Statement of affairs. Answer option B. Double account system. Voyage account is dash account. Options real, nominal, personal, none of these. Answer option C. Personal account. In self-balancing, both ledger adjustment account is opened in options both ledger, option B sold ledger, option C general ledger, option D none of these. Answer option C general ledger. Manufacturing account is prepared to find out option cost of goods sold, cost of goods produced, net profit, work in progress. Answer option B cost of goods produced. The amount paid to an author for the use of copyright is called minimum rent, commission, patent, royalty. Answer option D royalty. Question. Where the loss of an asset has been identified by the bank but the amount has not been write off wholly or partly is known as options A. Bad debt, option B. Substandard asset, option C. Loss asset, option D. Doubtful asset. Answer option C. Loss asset. Next question. Accounting principles are based on options objectivity, convenience, practicability, subjectivity. Answer option A, objectivity. Valuation and presentation of inventory is option IAS 5, IAS 4, IAS 1, IAS 2. Answer option D, IAS 2. Find the odd one. Options: purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, cash book. Answer option D, cash book. Question: if sales is rupees 2,40,000, percentage of gross profit on sales 20%, purchase rupees 1,75,000, closing stock rupees 30,000. Then opening stock will be options 47,000, 60,000, 50,000, 67,000. Answer option A, 47,000. Question: if cost of an asset is rupees 60,000 and life period is 4 years, the ratio of depreciation is option A 20%, option B 30%, option C 25%, option D 33%. Answer option C 25%. Question: dash is against the principle of convention of conservation. Options: A, provision for bad debts, option B, provision for discount on debtors, option C, provision for discount on creditors, option D, provision for depreciation. Answer C, provision for discount on creditors.